If you're exploring crypto wallets, you've probably heard of Garda, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's just another standard wallet. The surprising truth is that Garda combines security, multi-currency support, and user-friendly design, making it worth a closer look. Garda is a non-custodial wallet, which means you control your private keys at all times. This is critical for crypto safety because no one else can access your funds. The wallet supports hundreds of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and many altcoins, so you don't need multiple wallets for different coins. One of the standout features is its versatility. Garda is available as a web wallet, mobile app, desktop app, and even a Chrome extension. This makes accessing your crypto easy whether you're on your phone, laptop, or at home. You can send, receive, and exchange crypto directly within the wallet without needing third-party services. Security is another strong point. Garda encrypts all private keys locally on your device, never storing them on servers. It also offers optional two-factor authentication for added protection. For beginners, the interface is intuitive, while experienced users will appreciate advanced options like custom gas fees for Ethereum transactions. There are a few considerations. Garda is free to use, but network fees still apply when sending crypto. Also, being non-custodial means you are responsible for your backup and recovery. Losing your recovery phrase can mean losing access to your funds permanently. In conclusion, Garda Wallet is a solid choice for anyone looking for a secure, flexible, and multi-cryptocurrency wallet. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, it offers a good balance between ease of use and advanced features. If this review helped you understand Garda Wallet and its features, subscribe for more crypto wallet reviews and tips to protect your digital assets.